In today's video, we have this question and we are asked to solve for x minus y. So first of all, we are going to try solving for x. To solve for x, we are going to bring the first equation down, which is x squared minus x is equals to 72. And in order to solve for x using factorization, our equation here has to be equals to 0. So we add negative 72 to both sides of our equation. So this will leave us with x squared minus x minus 72 is equals to 0. When we factorize, we have x plus 8 multiplied by x minus 9 is equals to 0. The first value of x here is equals to minus 8 and the second value of x is equals to 9. Again, to solve for y, we are going to bring down our second equation, which is y squared minus y is equals to 30. And just as we did before, in order to use the factorization method, we are going to try equating our equation to 0. So we add negative 30 to both sides of the equation. So this will give us y squared minus y minus 30 is equals to 0. When we factorize, we have y plus 5 multiplied by y minus 6 is equals to 0. The first value of y here is equals to minus 5 and the second value of y is equals to 6. When we go back to our question, it says x plus y is equals to 4. So what we're going to do here is to look for the combination of x plus y that will be equals to 4. And the combination is adding the second value of x, which is equals to 9, and minus 5, which is the first value of y. So we have x plus y is equals to 9 plus minus 5. This is going to give us 4. Now, since we have gotten our actual values of x and y, we are going to try solving the question, which is x minus y. So simply we have x minus y is equals to 9 minus minus 5. And this is going to give 14. So we have our final answer to be equals to 14. Thanks for watching.